Did you know a 28-year-old queen once threw away an entire empire just to live as her true self? In 1654, Queen Christina of Sweden shocked Europe by abandoning the throne that had made her nation a superpower. But her abdication was just the beginning of a much darker story. Christina had spent years hiding who she really was. She dressed as a man, refused marriage, and lived with the psychological torment that consumed her daily. In a world that demanded she be the perfect royal woman, she chose to be anything but. Her secret conversion to Catholicism scandalized Protestant Sweden. Her obsession with philosophy and learning isolated her from court life. When she finally fled to Rome, she thought she would find freedom. Instead, she found only deeper shadows. The Catholic Church that welcomed her conversion never fully accepted her masculine identity. She died alone, impoverished, caught between two worlds that both rejected her. Christina sacrificed everything for authenticity, yet authenticity brought her nothing but exile and emptiness. Sometimes the greatest courage leads to the greatest tragedy.